Meaning of footsore.
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 Footsore. The term footsore is an adjective used to describe a person who is experiencing pain or discomfort in their feet due to prolonged walking or standing. It can result in blisters, soreness, or swelling, and can make it difficult for the individual to continue walking. Being footsore can also lead to decreased mobility, as well as decreased productivity and overall quality of life. Therefore, it is important to take breaks and rest one's feet if experiencing this condition, and to wear comfortable shoes to prevent further discomfort.